My talk quickly today is Kubewarden leveraging and extending CEL for your cluster security. Real quick, my name is Robert Sirchia. I am a Helm maintainer, and I'm talking not about Helm. I'm talking about Kubewarden, and I'm talking about CEL. I'm a CNCF ambassador, and I'm a director in the office of the CTO for a company called SUSE, if you heard of it. But let's get into it. Common expression language. This is a domain-specific language. It's already within Kubernetes right now with the validating admission policies. It's ideal for extending declarative configurations. It's fast, it's portable, it's safe to execute. It provides a Kubernetes language feature as well. And it's designed to be embedded, right? But it can run on its own. And it can be compiled into WASM. So I couldn't ask for a better setup than I got with the previous speaker, so thank you, if he's still here. So what is Kubewarden? Kubewarden is a CNCF project. It's a sandbox project. We talked about where it's at in its maturity. It is a policy engine whose policies are built in WebAssembly modules. So if you like WebAssembly, you like policies, it's kind of a project built for you. You can write your own policies, choosing your own languages. Your domain-specific languages such as CEL or Rego. You'll use a general purpose language such as Go, Rust, C#, JavaScript. We have SDKs to cover all of that, and we actually have documentation so you can actually run and write your own policies. But we do recommend that you first check out what policies we have in Artifact Hub before you write your own. And it's designed to protect your clusters. You can gain insight, and you can build modular solutions that run. And we're striving to be a universal policy engine. So it is a superset of Kubernetes CEL straight from the source. It uses the same upstream CEL interpreter, the same add-ons and libraries into CEL, compiled into Kubewarden CEL policies. It's backwards compatible with CEL as well. Plus, Kubewarden hosts of opportunities when you expose into native CEL. Right? So you can gain access to Kubernetes resources, 6-store verification, OCI registries, network queries, things like that. And since it's Kubewarden, you have a lot of extra features in there, the process of recurring cluster information, resources, et cetera, with that. So a quick example of what this would look like. If you were deploying a particular policy, you can have the opportunity to change and modify what you want to do on how you deploy this particular policy. So instead of that being embedded within a policy itself, you can actually configure it and set variables on the outside with relative ease with that. And this was what CEL gives us when we deploy it within a policy. About a minute left here. I am going to be at Project Pavilion. I am also speaking at ContribFest for Helm. Helm 4 is kicked off. I know this is not a Helm talk, but that's where I'll be. You can find me on GitHub, and I'll be in the Project Pavilion. And then my booth is S160 in the South Hall. Thank you.